Are you doing it? Oh, wow. So you put the luggage in there and then you push it? Push it. Show me. Wow. And did it come out on the other side?
Hey.
Yeah.
Pink.
Can you say thank you, Nana?
Nana.
Can you say thank you, Pop-Pop?
Papa.
Good job.
I got
Are you going to put gas in the helicopter?
Okay.
Yeah. Or in the airplane?
Okay. Feed it.
Yeah, do you want me to show you where that goes? It's like a flag. It goes on the bridge.
B.
But you can put it where you want.
Down.
Yeah, you slide down?
Yeah.
Why don't you push the cars down so they slide down?
Card.
Can you push a car?
Yeah.
Yeah, make it go down the bridge. Wow! Can it go down the rest of the way? Can you push it?
Yeah.
You push it so it goes down? Wow! Good job.
Mama cup.
Is that a helicopter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wee. Double.
Yeah, you have to push the helicopter more? Wow.
More.
More? How about the car? How about the car? The yellow car.
Yeah.
Can you put the yellow car?
Right.
And it's got 2 people in it?
Wee. Down. More. Happy.
Is that fun?
Happy.
Yeah, the airplane. Well, that's for the gas. You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Look. Here, whoop, whoop. Put it down. Be gentle. See here? Right here, you fill the gas. Look. Like we do at the gas station. And then it goes back.
Now.
Oh no, that's not how you do it?
That.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Just move this closer. Good job. Do you want to fill the airplane?
Yeah.
Look, right here. Oh, it's got a flag. That looks good.
More. More.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you wave? You wave? Yeah, there you go. Thanks.
Go, go, go.